Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the world of AI tools that anyone can use, even if you have zero technical knowledge. Over the past few years, especially between 2023 and 2025, we've seen an incredible explosion of AI tools. And the best part, these tools are no longer limited to developers or tech experts. They're built for everyone. We're not just talking about traditional software anymore. We're talking about intelligent systems that can think, learn, and even create, almost like a human, but much faster because they're trained on massive amounts of data. So the big question is, what types of modern AI tools are actually available, and how can they help us in our daily lives? Let's break it down. First, we have chatbots and AI assistants, tools that let you interact with AI to answer questions, generate ideas, and solve problems. Next are writing assistants and content creation tools, which help you create blogs, emails, scripts, and more in seconds. And design, branding, and creative tools make it simple to create logos, presentations, and social media content. Then come image generation and editing tools, allowing you to create stunning visuals from simple text prompts. We also have video generation and editing tools, making it easy to create professional-looking videos without advanced skills. Voice and audio synthesis tools help generate realistic voiceovers and audio content. Now, these first 6 categories are what we call general-purpose tools, tools that anyone can start using right away in their daily life. Beyond that, we have more productivity-focused tools, typically used by professionals. This includes education and academic tools, customer support chatbots, and digital marketing, sales, and SEO tools. Coding and developer tools, productivity and workflow automation tools, data analysis and business intelligence tools. In this video, we'll focus on the general-purpose tools that you can start using immediately. And in Part 2, we'll dive into the more advanced productivity-focused tools used by professionals. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly which AI tool to use for almost any creative or analytical task. So, let's get started.
Let's start with the most widely used category, chatbots and research assistants. These are the most widely used entry point into AI, or the new search engines. These tools allow you to talk directly to an AI to get answers, brainstorm ideas, reason or solving problems, draft content, summarize complex documents, or interpret complex reports in easy-to-understand language. Let's explore some of the most powerful AI tools available today and understand where each one truly shines. First, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI. This is the most widely used AI chatbot, known for its versatility. It works well for creative writing, coding workflows, and problem-solving. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, writing content, or building code, ChatGPT can handle it all. Its key strengths include creativity and advanced reasoning. It's best suited for marketers, writers, and programmers. However, one important limitation to keep in mind, it can sometimes hallucinate, meaning it may produce incorrect facts, so always verify critical information. Next is Claude by Anthropic. Claude is known as a long-context expert, making it ideal for professionals working with large documents. It excels in deep reading, strong comprehension, and consistent output. Compared to others, Claude focuses more on analysis than creativity. It's best for lawyers, analysts, and researchers. Common use cases include reviewing contracts, identifying legal risks, refining documents, and analyzing long reports or research papers. Its limitation? Claude has a more conservative writing style, which may not suit creative tasks. Now, let's talk about Perplexity by Perplexity AI. This tool is considered a gold standard for research. It pulls real-time information from the web and provides verified, citation-backed answers. That makes it extremely reliable for fact-based work. It's best suited for researchers, analysts, and lawyers. You can use it to gather up-to-date information, build reports, and collect sources before writing. However, it's not strong in creative writing, so it's best paired with another tool for content creation. Next is Gemini by Google. Gemini stands out because of its deep integration with Google Workspace. It works seamlessly with tools like Docs, Sheets, Gmail, and Drive, making it perfect for team collaboration. Its strengths include real-time research, strong search capabilities, and smooth workflow integration. It's ideal for teams already using Google Workspace. The limitation? Its value is closely tied to the Google ecosystem, so it's less effective outside of it. Now, let's look at Grok by xAI. Grok is built for real-time trends and social insights, with direct access to X, formerly Twitter. It has a bold, conversational tone and is highly aware of news and pop culture trends. This makes it perfect for social media managers, content creators, and trend analysts. You can use it to track trends, analyze social sentiment, and create viral-style content or punchy captions. However, Grok is not ideal for formal or professional work, as its tone is more casual. Next is DeepSeek. This is a free, open-source AI model known for its strong performance in technical areas. It excels in math, reasoning, and coding tasks, while also being efficient and cost-effective. It's best suited for developers, programmers, and technical users. You can use it to debug code, validate algorithms, or solve complex calculations. Like other models, it can sometimes produce incorrect facts, so validation is important. Now, let's explore Microsoft Copilot by Microsoft. Copilot is deeply integrated into Windows and Microsoft 365 tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Its biggest strength is seamless productivity within the Microsoft ecosystem. It's ideal for office users and business professionals. You can draft documents, analyze data, and automate everyday tasks directly within your workflow. The limitation is clear. It works best within Microsoft tools, and its value depends on that ecosystem. Finally, we have Notebook LM by Google, a powerful tool designed specifically for research-heavy work. Unlike typical AI chatbots, Notebook LM works as a source-based assistant. This means it doesn't rely on general knowledge alone. Instead, it generates answers strictly from the content you provide. You can upload PDFs, documents, images, or even YouTube links, and Notebook LM will analyze those materials to give you accurate, context-based insights. The output is more reliable and traceable, making it ideal for serious research tasks. It can also summarize complex documents, highlight key points, and even generate audio-style overviews, helping you consume information faster. Each of these AI tools has its own strengths. The key is to choose the right tool based on your task, whether it's creativity, research, collaboration, social trends, or technical problem-solving.
The next category is specialized writing assistance tools, which are designed to help you create high-quality content effortlessly. Whether you're drafting emails, writing blogs, preparing reports, or creating social media posts, these tools can do it all with impressive accuracy. And they go far beyond basic spell check. They can fix grammar, paraphrase sentences, summarize long documents, refine tone and style, and even rewrite content to make it clearer, more professional, and more impactful. In many cases, they can generate complete drafts from scratch, saving you hours of work. Think of them as your AI-powered writing partners. Now, let's look at some of the top tools in this category. Grammarly is often the go-to tool for grammar checking and writing improvement. It helps ensure your content is clear, correct, and professional, while also offering tone suggestions and paraphrasing. Quillbot is especially popular for paraphrasing and rewriting. It's quick, simple, and highly effective when you need to reword content without changing meaning. ProWritingAid is a powerful choice for authors, students, and professionals. It provides deep analysis of your writing, including style, readability, pacing, and overused words. Notion AI goes beyond writing. It is a suite of integrated AI tools that combines content creation with productivity within an organization. It can draft content, summarize documents, fix grammar, and even adjust tone, all in one place. Copy.ai is built specifically for marketing content. It offers ready-made templates for ads, emails, and social media posts, helping maintain brand consistency. Jasper is another strong marketing-focused tool. It's designed for scaling content creation, ensuring your messaging stays aligned with your brand voice. And finally, Writesonic is known for generating SEO-optimized articles and high-converting landing pages, perfect for digital marketing and content growth. With these tools, writing becomes faster, smarter, and much more efficient, whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator. Let us move to next categories: design, branding, and creativity tools. No design skills? No problem. These tools help you create logos, presentations, social graphics, and full brand marketing assets. Turn simple text prompts into complete visuals, social media posts, UI layouts, logos, or presentations in seconds. Pre-built templates with AI-assisted layout suggestions that automatically adjust spacing, alignment, and composition. Beginner-friendly interfaces that make designing as easy as moving elements around, no technical skills required. One-click background removal, object editing, and quick visual enhancements. Generate images, icons, illustrations, and backgrounds instantly based on your input or theme. Automatically apply brand colors, fonts, and styles across designs to maintain a consistent visual identity. Instant logo generation along with full brand kits, including color palettes, typography, and mockups. Convert text descriptions into full app or website layouts, wireframes, and components. Multiple users can design together, leave comments, and make edits in real time, ideal for teams. Turn rough sketches into polished icons or illustrations automatically. AI design tools simplify creativity, turning ideas into professional visuals instantly without needing advanced design skills. Now, let's take a look at some of the leading tools in this category. Canva, the most beginner-friendly design platform. Thousands of drag-and-drop templates with instant AI image generation, text effects, and background removal built in. No design skills needed. Best for marketers, solopreneurs, social media managers. Microsoft Designer, AI-powered design tool built into Microsoft 365. Generates polished social graphics, presentations, and marketing visuals from a text prompt. Ideal for users already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Best for Microsoft 365 users, office teams, students. Figma AI, the industry-standard collaborative UI/UX design tool, now enhanced with AI layout suggestions, auto asset generation, and intelligent component recommendations. Built for professional product designers, UX teams, and developers. Galelio AI generates complete production-ready UI designs from a text description in seconds. Outputs editable Figma frames, skipping wireframing and going straight from idea to polished interface. Best for product designers, startups, rapid prototyping. Looka, instant AI-driven logo generation with a full brand kit. Colors, fonts, business cards, and social assets, all built from your brand preferences. Optimized for new project launches and early-stage startups. Best for founders, freelancers, new product launches. Stockimage.ai. AI image generator specialized by output type. Logos, posters, layouts, book covers, social media banners, and stock photos, each using a category-tuned model. Skips generic prompting with purpose-built generation modes. Autodraw, Google's AI drawing fun tool that turns rough sketches into suggests matching professional clean icons. Draw scribble, pick the clean version. Zero design skill needed. Browser-based. These general-purpose tools are designed to make your daily tasks faster and more creative. We've covered the general-purpose landscape, the tools that empower you to create, communicate, and design. While many are paid, most offer generous free tiers for you to start experimenting today. Join us for our next training, AI Tools Part 2, where we will dive into image, video, and audio generation tools.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.